We call him Shoka Haman Kamariki now. The Directorate of Criminal Investigations has sought to detain Rose Mbithe Mulwa, also known as Rose Mbithe Ndetei, and Chris Mulwa as detectives investigate the murder of clinical psychologist Dr. Victoria Nthunya Mutiso. The court application has also brought into focus what investigators are examining as a possible link between the psychologist's killing and the unsolved assassination of Nairobi lawyer Kyalo, Mbobu. Meanwhile, autopsy conducted on Dr. Mutiso's body this evening, led by Government Chief Pathologist Dr. Johnson Oduor, has revealed that she died of excessive bleeding as a result of 3 gunshot wounds. Vera Mora with the details.
2 days after the brutal killing of psychologist Dr. Victoria Nthunya Mutiso, 2 people, a mother and her son, were brought before the Milimani Law Courts. Rose Mbithe Mulwa and Chris Mulwa are now suspects in the ongoing investigations into the murder of Dr. Victoria Nthunya Mutiso.
Further to it is that the deceased identified the second respondent as the person who was among the pursuant on 7th of July.
So far, preliminary investigations have established the existence of a long-standing land dispute involving Rose Mbithe and the deceased family, which culminated in a civil suit filed before the Machakos Law Courts.
A documented pattern of threats and pursuit of the deceased, and they were active investigations.
As detectives pursue the killers, investigators are also examining if Dr. Mutiso's murder is connected to that of prominent Nairobi lawyer Kyalo Mbobu, who was shot dead in Karen on September 9th, 2025. According to investigators, both cases appear to intersect around years of civil litigation involving matrimonial property, land ownership, and defamation claims. Central to those inquiries is the long-running legal dispute involving Rose Mbithe Mulwa and her former husband, Professor David Musimi Ndetei, following the divorce in 2001.
Is the exhibits belonging to the deceased that were recovered from the second respondent?
The Directorate of Criminal Investigations, DCI, asked the Milimani Law Courts to detain the 2 for 30 days as detectives investigate the matter. The court detained city lawyer Chris Mulwa in Kileleshwa Police Station and Rose Mbithe Mulwa in Kilimani Police Station until Monday, when the court is expected to rule on the application by the DCI to detain them for 30 days. Dr. Mutiso was gunned down on Wednesday, July 29th, while traveling in a taxi through Nairobi's Upper Hill area after suspected assassins allegedly trailed her vehicle before opening fire and fleeing. With the postmortem of Dr. Mutiso being conducted on Friday while the investigations into lawyer Kyalo Mbobu's murder remains active, investigators say they are piecing together evidence that will determine whether the 2 high-profile killings are isolated crimes or part of a wider criminal conspiracy.
We found that she was shot 3 times, twice on the head, where the 2 gunshot which exited on the left side. So the entry on the left side, the exit was on the right side. There's also another entry on the back right side, which exited also on the right side.
Vera Mora, KTN.
Patients across Kenya continue to ground